have you become? What have you become? That's what you've been. I was blind, I was welcome back, Baddie babies. It's your girl Ayana, back with another video. Today we are going to be reviewing these Born Pretty, Born Pretty gel nails. So there is 6 colors. This first number I pull out is number 6. I didn't know which way went first, so I just ended up going backwards. And this is going to be like a dark pink shade. I will say that there's like 2 shades in this entire like setup. Sorry, I'm just sitting here looking and making sure that's the dark pink one. I don't know, but that like little orange color really threw me off. I was like, this isn't pink. This is like, it's a little bit off in color here. And then this next one is gonna be number 5. It's like another shade of pink. I don't know, maybe you could tell the difference a little bit more on camera, but me just sitting there and like looking at it, oh yeah, that is a big difference. But it's not gonna be a big difference when you put it on. It looks different from on camera than it does in actual person under the light. But we'll see in a second here when I swatch it. This right here is number 4. There is also 2 shades of blue in this palette. There is going to be a dark blue and a light blue color. This here is the darker blue. It's definitely giving water, you know? And when I say these gel nail polishes are so cool, I've been seeing so many things where it was like the whole nail looks jelly. And I wanted to try one of that. I just don't know what design I want to go with. I have tried, by this point, posting the video, I have tried about 2 of these nail polishes. And they're honestly kind of nice. I can't wait to drop that video to show you guys. Just know that's coming soon. And then we're on to number 2. This is going to be a green color. And it's kind of like a slime green. Even when you put it on the nail, I noticed that it's a little bit darker than it is inside the bottle than it actually is like to the sticker. And this is number 1. It's an orange color. It's okay, but I tried this orange color, and you'll see what I mean when you get it, but it's definitely giving Halloween pumpkin. That's what it's giving. Right, this is the color number 6. It's like a hot pink, but clear. I feel like maybe I should have changed like the background right here, just so we could see it a little bit better, since I do have pink table covers. This is also another shade of pink. This one is the bit lighter one. And if you remember what color it was on the top of the bottle, this is why I'm saying those 2 colors are very, very similar to each other. One just has like a deeper tinting to it, and the other one is just like a little more not opaque.
I can't stay away. And I know you put that on for me. I know you put that on for me.
And here is number 4. Told y'all, it's definitely giving water. If you put enough layers on there, like that would be really nice. Here is the second blue. It's more closer to like a turquoise. And it's definitely not as see-through, but you can see through it. Y'all see, like I said, I already did 2 sets now, so I honestly liked it. So those are the next 2 videos I have coming up. Well, the second set is giving it's not giving. So I'm still deciding if I'm gonna post that or not. If I do, I'll probably just post it as a fail. Yeah. Because everybody has to see where it gets hard too. We just saw that green. I told you it's definitely giving like slime earth green. And then here is the orange, which is number 1. And like I said, it looks like pumpkin Halloween. As an overall 6-pack, I feel like this could have been a little bit better. Like the color quality was not there.
I thought that I was changing you. I can't believe I faced you. You know your mama ain't raised you like that. Look at your behavior. That's what she is ashamed of you. Damn. Look at what you become. Matter of fact, what you been. I was just lying. I was just so in it. I was just so committed. No, I don't regret it. I know what love is once time. Let it go, let it go, let it go.
This is going to be my new cat eye gel. The box is so beautiful. Look how it shimmers. And I believe it is called Gaoy. Okay, this right here is the Gaoy. It is a 1 colored cat liner. So this means you can use this on top of any nail polish. The number is 1138. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put it over each jelly color so you guys can see how it works and how they pair. This does come with a lot of pigmentation in it. You use the cat eye and move it around. It is so beautiful. This first little magnet go, guys, it was not it. Or it was it, and I kept going.
so much is in the way, babe. Ain't no one above the two of us. And I know you put that on for me. I know you put that on for me.
This is the second shade of pink. I think it's really just the angle that I'm holding it in, but it definitely just has so much pigmentation.
All for me. Tell me you can make the thing pop for me. Pretty to be proud for me. In a way, I can't stay away. And I know you put that on for me. I know you put that on for me. I'm too much rush, I see a candlelight. I can't think show you look at my money right. Don't take it off and show me what it's like. Let me see.
The little thing you see me holding in my hand is the magnet that it comes with. This is the blue shade paired with the Gaoy Cateye.
I can't go without my drug 'cause I am not alright. I'ma let you take the wheel tonight. We know what we doing wrong, but girl, it feels so
really
right.
be wishing is that they would like actually name nail polishes, because I cannot. Everything got numbers on it. Imagine me telling somebody, oh, go get me the #1 color. Go get me this color in #1, and they go to the wall and it's 2 different #1s. Even if I say cat eye, if it's 2 different brands, it's gonna be 2 different numbers. This is the other shade blue. The cat eye and the blue did not mesh well, as you can see here. Like, it did shine, but at the same time, I just don't know what was going on with it. And this is going to be our green. I said that this was giving spring. No, it's definitely giving forest. It's giving forest green.
In a way, I can't stay away. And I know you put that on for me. I know you put that on for me.
And that shine is so beautiful on there. Look how it moves. That's what it does compare well with. I don't think I would use it by itself, but separate pairs nice. This is our final color, that little orangish color. This is color #1. We're just gonna call it pumpkin. Cause I gotta name y'all products for you. That's crazy.
Solo, no mojo, I bounce back, no cocoa, unhappy, no homo, new brands, no logos, money on my juggler, natural hustler, think I need a smuggler up in Russia, it could be the butler, shine my cutler, shout out to Oyenda, that's the guzzler, okay, next thing, my life is a wet dream, I call it a sex scene, the bag is a nice tease, I tried to escape, my life is an x-ray, I'm sorry, a sex tape.
And that also has a beautiful shimmer to it. This is going to be our final look here. We have #6, #5. It's 4, #3, #2, and #1. This Gaoy Cateye really even makes the ugliest colors you have look beautiful. And that is going to be the end of our video. Thanks for tuning in to Baddie Guide, and we'll see you on our next one. What have you become?
what you've been always